I get one small yarn like this. Why would life more relate together? My name is Peaceful Thoughts. I go the way hate problems. We don't give strength to fight. I say they look me now. Meanwhile, just listen to what I've got to say. I get small English accent too, but I like my own normal track pass English. When I say when I want to do everything possible, into everything I want to do, when I get something, give one small wisdom, I go like my follow you reason. I see that maybe I the reason right or I just the catch cruise. All those things now we say you won't put everything, you won't do things we say say you know good. You won't do you won't join everything together. Take get and so. That's the way you want get. Inside 5 years to come, that's the way you won't get today, you go still like them. Those things wey they pursue with excessive madness say you won't get today now. 10 years time, you go still value them. See, our mumu don't do. Even myself, all of us gather dey inside the mumu. So, supposing do now, you wan pursue something now. First reason now, this is why they pursue. It dey worthwhile. 10 years time, I go dey proud of this thing why they do today. You check all those things wey they do now. This is not about church or anything. This is a real life matter. Now they follow you reason so. Those things wey they pursue with excessive madness, wey you want get out today. Those things wey you want just make today. Check am. If you enter 20 years time, you go still like am. Those things wey you dey do today now, you go like am. Those behaviors wey you dey exhibit and they tell you, you know why here. If you begin to think about am, 20 years later, you go like am. Those money wey you want get, you want do everything humanly possible to get am. You go dey proud of that kind of money when your mates dey reason how they take get their money legitimately. You go dey proud of am. I'm not dey judge anybody. I just dey like try reason. All of us dey guilty of this same thing and e no really dey good say you go do something finish then in 5 years time you go discover say all the things wey you dey pursue do that time no dey worthwhile and then you go come remember am like that, you go come dey vex for yourself, you go come dey BP, you come dey get BP on top of wetin you carry your own hand cause. Anytime wey you wan pursue something, check am. This thing wey you wan pursue, you go favour people wey dey around you. Fine. If you go favour people wey dey around you, inside 2 years, 3 years to come, will it still be worthwhile? Can you still be proud of it? Can you still be proud talking about it? Maybe about say I dey speak or go give you. Na about wetin I dey vomit give you. Let's say I dey vomit give you, wey be say I dey take reason with you so. How may you just grab am? You dey pursue anything, I no ask you wetin you dey pursue. I no ask you how you take dey pursue am. But you check am within yourself. This thing wey you dey pursue like this, when you mad, dey craze dey pursue so. Inside 5 years time, you go still like am, you go still dey hail yourself say, man, I try this year. So, supposing they learn how to dey create something wey go dey worthwhile, even when you come old, then your children come see am, they go dey proud of daddy. Because na wetin you, how you take school your children for house, and so they go take dey. Orientation wey they get from house, na be the first thing. You say, how people talk say charity begin from house, and be from home, how they take dey talk am. So then you can't do bad things. Maybe then, na your children go dey help you remember am. Then you can't dey feel bad. This thing, we suppose to understand say everything wey dey happen for our life na our making. You understand? Most of everything wey dey happen to man, na him dey cause am. Nature get im own forces, but nature's forces no dey too dey bad to like bond with person. Dey quick cooperate. You understand? But most of the problems wey we dey get na we dey cause am. You understand? Bullshit fit take you to the top of tree, fit take you to the top of anything, but e no go make you last for there. You understand? I don't know whether you dey grab bad thing. E fit carry you go faster than speed of light, touch light, or any light at all, but e no go make you last for there. Your battery go quick die. You dey get the wisdom, abi you just dey look me like say this guy wey dey talk, wetin he dey talk sef? Suppose you understand wetin I dey talk, because normally I no dey find trouble, and you no go fit even beat me even if I find your trouble. I no go even find am. You understand? So whatever it is that you are pursuing today, see how wellness is inside of it. See how well-being is inside of it. See how people can benefit from it. Because the best thing a person will fit do, as per saying in dey do good thing now, to dey truthful and dey good to people wey dey around am. You create for people. If bullshit take you to the top of the building, they come dey there, they come hail you, you come fall from there, you go like am. You better say you no even climb the building in the first place. So na the wisdom wey I take relate with you with that. Using these stuffs, anything you wan do from today onward, check am. This thing inside 5 years time, I go still dey enjoy am. This thing wey I dey do myself like this, if I remember am 10 years later, you go like, I go like am. E no be about who wan judge you, who wan condemn you. You ask yourself question. You understand? Say you dey do yourself because say na you get yourself. Inside 10 years time, you go like am. Before you take any action for success o, for well-being o, for another thing wey you wan do, anything wey you wan do, check am well. If you remember this thing in so time, you go like am. If you go feel like am, 100% go ahead. But if you no like am, think am twice again. Maybe you get another idea wey be say you go dey inside the back of your head. Maybe say you go need knack am like this first before you come the front. Then you go use am instead of the one wey be say you create finish, and no go give you happy life at the end. Because we all deserve to be happy. We deserve to be happy. Una no mind my English accent, I no people sabi speak am. Abeg, as you dey lis ten to me so, if you watch finish, then you just like my page, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, Peaceful Thought Comedy. Then share my post as much as you can, please. I know you did that. Have a wonderful day, beautiful people.